If you want to maintain privacy while using Stripe, hiding your online status can be a useful feature. Follow these steps to adjust your settings accordingly. Step 1. Log into your Stripe account. Access your Stripe account by entering your credentials on the Stripe website. Make sure you are using a secure network to protect your information. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the account settings by clicking on your profile icon or name, usually found in the upper right corner of the dashboard. This will direct you to various account management options. Step 3. Find Privacy Settings. In the Account Settings menu, look for a section labeled Privacy or Visibility. This section contains options related to your online presence and status visibility. Step 4. Adjust online status. Within the privacy settings, find the option to hide your online status. Toggle the setting to off or select the appropriate option that indicates you do not want to display your online status to others. Step 5. Save changes. After adjusting your online status, ensure you save the changes by clicking the Save button at the bottom of the settings page. This will apply your new privacy preferences. By following these steps, you can successfully hide your online status on Stripe, allowing you to manage your account with greater privacy.